Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block emails in Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a privacy-first email platform designed to keep your communications secure and spam-free. Blocking emails allows you to stop receiving unwanted emails from specific senders, reduce spam clutter in your inbox, and automatically move or delete emails from the blocked addresses. And unlike some other services, Proton Mail keeps the blocked routes encrypted. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down proton.me and enter it. Over here, select the sign in the top right. Here you need to find your mail, and once you access to your mail, what you can do is you can find the tons of email. If you want to block from an open email, what you can do is you can simply select the email that you want to block, and after that click on this three dot icon, and over here the Proton Mail gives you the three options: either to archive, move to spam, or simply report phishing if you want to. So what you can do is you can simply move the email to spam over here, and that is it. Proton Mail will automatically redirect future emails from the sender to spam folder, keeping your inbox clean. And there is no blocking icon specifically in Proton Mail. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.